Okay, we got Randolph versus Wisconsin Blizzard. This is a very important game for the Randolph boys. Middle, get somebody in the middle. Quicker.
Not bad finish.
Atta boy, Benny.
Let's go.
Travel.
Does a lot. Travis?
Come on, Cade. Atta boy, Cade.
Nice job.
Atta boy, Benny. Get a box out. Yep. Stay back. Who's in the middle? Who's in the middle? Not that pass.
Too lobby.
Swing it, swing it. Attaboy. Quick movement, quick ball movement. Stay hot, Josh.
Stay with him, stay with him.
Attaboy. Attack. All right, good hustle, Benny.
Go, guys. Good hustle, guys. You're fine.
You're good, Josh. You're good. Finish it next time. You're good. Get in the middle.
Get it over. Beautiful pass. Pass.
Come on, kids. Stay in front of them. Push, push.
Nice, good job. Let it go.
Yeah, it looked like it did.
Hey, let's take care of it here. Go, guys.
Stay here, Kate. Stay here. Come on, guys. You got to move the ball quicker. Move it. Reverse it. Quick passing, guys. Quick passing. Make the zone shift. Good follow, Ben. Up strong, Ben. Use the glass. Up strong, use the glass.
Box out. shot.
Boy, James. There we go. Good board, James.
Good boy, James.
Come on, Cade. We need you on this end too, bud.
This guy right here.
No. 31.
Come to the ball. Come to the ball.
Go, push it up. Nice move, Corey. Finish that.
Nice move, Corey. Nice move.
Drive, drive. Step in. Come on, Benny, knock him down. Here we go. It's 11-7 with 12:20 to go in the first half.
That's more 7 than last time.
Go, D up, ball.
Take your time, guys.
Come on, guys.
We're not in a hurry.
On Matthew. Anticipate.
Come on, box him out. Get around him, position. No way. There we go. Good passes.
Bounce pass.
Attaboy, Benny.
Passes.
Come on, good passes.
Grab a case.
Come on, guys, work the offense. Good help, good help. Help him out, turn around.
Go, go, go.
Let's get a good shot, Josh. Work for a good one.
All right, Benny, shake it off. All right, shake it off.
Let's go, get down the floor. Don't watch.
Where are you going? That's not a
Patience.
No. Wait up. Come on, White. Come on, White. Be smart. Good passes.
Come on, Matt, careful with those passes, White.
Protect the ball.
Step in.
Where's the mic at? Guys, good passes.
Got to move quick, guys.
Follow.
Come on, just no throwing prayers.
No.
Go, push. 5 on 4. Let's go. Numbers. Yeah, I hit the wire.
Defense!
Pressure him. Stay in front of him. There you go.
Help out!
Good help. Hand up and jump. Passing. Go, 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 go. 3 on 1. Come on, Matt. Attack. Move. Come on, White. Take care of the basketball. Let's go. Darn it, guys.
Clear the ball, guys. Come on.
Press break.
Good passes!
Go, 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 go.
Good passes!
White, you gotta move. Matt, get to an open spot.
Hey, get ready to shoot!
Get to an open spot.